Okay, so we have inductive, and write this on your paper as well, versus deductive reasoning. Now with inductive, we're taking like a smaller idea and generalizing to something bigger. With deductive, we're taking a bigger idea and saying something smaller, and this will make sense in a second. The other thing, this is how Khan Academy taught it, and I think it makes it super simple to figure out. With inductive, you're going from a trend to a generalization. Generalize. And then with deductive, you're going from a fact to a fact. And it makes it super easy to like differentiate which one's which. So I was trying to think of a way that you could easily like attach trend and generalize to inductive and then fact and fact to deductive. The only thing that I came up with, which might help you, would be like D, E, F in the alphabet, like just in order. We have D, E, F, and just kind of tying that to the F in fact, and then you can remember that deductive is the fact to fact one, and then inductive is the trend one. It'll make a little, I think you'll find it easy once we look at the problems. Okay. So first one, it says, each time you go to bed, you charge your electronic devices. So the next time you go to bed, you will charge your electronic devices. This happens to be the trend to generalize one. And before we write anything here, I also want you to look at number 30. It says, even numbers are divisible by 2. So as you can see, that's more of like factual. Even numbers are divisible by 2. It's a fact. Odd numbers are not divisible by 2, so 4 is an even number. So this is going from fact to fact. This one was a generalization or trend to generalization. So here, each time you go to bed, you charge your electronic devices. That's more of a trend. So this is going to be inductive reasoning. So all you have to do is determine whether it's inductive or deductive. And you might just want to make a note, trend to generalize, just to help you remember. And then for 30, as we mentioned, even numbers are divisible by 2. That is definitely a fact. So therefore, this is deductive reasoning. And that would be a fact to a fact. Okay, now 31 and 32, see if you can do it on your own, just deciding whether it's inductive or deductive. I want to pause this here, please. Okay, so here are my answers. Did you get that as well? It's pretty simple. Cool. Yay. Okay, so now we're going to move on to something else, but the next thing is more of review. So I'm going to turn the recording off. That's inductive versus deductive reasoning.